In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste a task template in Asana. Even though Asana doesn't let you literally copy and paste an entire template in one go, there's a simple way to achieve the same result by duplicating an existing task. I'll walk you through logging in, finding your project, and creating a precise copy with the details you want. Start by heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the quickest option if your workspace is linked to a Google account. When prompted, select your Google account to complete the sign-in. After a moment, you'll be taken into your Asana workspace. Next, open the project where your template task lives. This is important because the duplicate will be created inside the same project. Here's a quick note before we copy. While you can't directly copy-paste a whole template with every detail in one action, duplicating a task is the supported method and gives you control over exactly what carries over. Find the task you want to reuse as a template. This might be a task you've refined over time with the right structure and information. Right-click on that task to open the context menu. From the options that appear, click Duplicate Task. This opens a small setup window where you'll prepare the copy. Give your new task a clear name. Think about a naming convention that helps with search and consistency, like including a client name, a date, or a phase of work. A descriptive title will save you time later. Now choose which parts of the original task you want to include. You can bring over the task description, the assignee, subtasks, attachments, tags, and more. Only select what you actually need. For example, include subtasks if the structure matters, and be mindful about copying the assignee if you don't want to notify someone prematurely. Attachments and tags can be helpful for context and reporting, but if they're not relevant, leave them unchecked to keep the copy clean. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Create New Task. Asana will add the duplicated task to your project instantly. You'll see it appear in the list with the name you provided and all the elements you chose to include. That's it, your reusable template is now a fresh task, ready to go. To recap, you signed in, opened the right project, right-clicked the task you want to reuse, selected duplicate task, named the copy, picked the elements to carry over, and created the new task. This approach is the fastest, most reliable way to replicate a task template in Asana.